Doug Thompson. We're here in the shop today, and I've got to bend a bunch of pins for a job. 1/4 inch material, I've got to put about a 170-degree bend at one end of the pin, and I don't want to bend it one at a time. So I went ahead and made a new bending dog. This is a custom-made bending dog that I basically copied the original bending dog and made it taller so I could bend 4 pieces of 1/4 inch round at one time. And in a separate video, I'm going to go ahead and show how we went about designing and then making this taller bending dog. Now I've got a fairly elaborate setup here, and I'm just going to describe it real quickly. I have a piece of plate that I've merely clamped to the top of the mainframe that extends out to hold a block so I can kind of tell where I need to be. As I've accounted for that offset, I bent a piece of 1/8 by 3/8 that I ripped out, and I just bent it in a way that it'll support this stack. So when I bend it, I've got a pretty parallel relationship to the bending frame. I could tape all these up. I'm not going to do that. Mostly what I want to do is get it close to here. Then I'm going to eyeball 1/4 inch in front of the bending dog as my registration. I've got my roller set up, and I've also got a custom-made stop that I made, which is basically a piece of tubing with a bolt and a nut welded on it that goes through all of these holes that I've drilled in the original frame. Got a nut at either end, so this point will hit the leading edge of the swinging frame, so I'll be able to very accurately bend all these parts. So again, I've lined up the front end of my 1/4 inch rods in front of the bending dog by about 1/4 inch. I've got it pretty tight, and I'm going to go ahead and bend it to the stop. So I'm hitting the stop, and we just bent 4 parts at one time.